Okay, that thing is amazing, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you what frame machine we use here at the shop. Very little portable frame machine for minor, guys, repairs. We'll show you how it works, how powerful that thing is, and we'll attempt, guys, okay, to fix that BMW, okay, to straighten the rear quarter panel. So stay with us and we'll explain what we'll be doing. Now this machine, we have the smaller one, it's a 4-ton. They have a bigger one too, guys. We'll have the links in the description of the video below so you can check it out. As you know, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, guys, and like the video. If you need any of the tools, check out, guys, the description of the video below. So it comes with different fittings, quite a few different things, guys. Even comes with a spreader as well. This one is amazing. If something needs to be spread, okay, it gets in and it just pumps that way. You pretty much disconnect one of them, connect the other one. You have different links as well, different attachments. Really convenient machine, guys. And you can even buy more, okay, more accessories for that machine. We have the 4-ton pump right here, hydraulic body frame. You can see a repair kit. This is the 4-ton pump, but they have bigger ones as well if you need to work on something bigger. Usually on cars this is plenty. We never needed anything more powerful than that. So we'll show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing now. So you can see how bad it is. It's terrible, guys. We're going to show you how we'll be using that actually frame machine, little bitty one, but you can see the link again in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. So we'll see if we can pull anything back. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we have the different fittings now. Okay, that's the one that we'll be using. We got a wood block to support it there, and so we can spread that thing back. You can see how much it went in. So hopefully that will get some of it out. Okay, so let's hold it there and I'll start pumping. Okay, and check this thing out now. So you hear that popping? Okay, that's good, guys. Actually, it's coming back to where it used to be. So you can see how much we moved. Now you always have to stay out of the way. It's dangerous because if that thing comes this way, it can kill you. Always wear protection, helmets, anything you can think of, guys. Those are the different fittings here. So we'll be using something else as well to spread it a little bit more. Okay, we need to see how much more, but I think we may need to just hit it a few more times. Okay, and we'll be actually close to where we need to be. So we'll just go a little bit more. And you can see how much we gained, guys. So we'll get, we got another wood block on the front now. We're going to spread a little bit the front, okay, and see if it's going to come out. Hopefully it will. Okay, right there. So when we're ready, I'm just going to pump this thing a couple of times. Okay, let's see if it will work now. Okay, we'll have one person come to pump so I can focus on the action and try to show you guys, okay, if it's going to come out. Check it out now. Okay, let's go more. It broke the wood block, but that's fine. I think we can just pump a little bit more. So you can see, guys, it looks pretty good. It spread it quite a bit, as you can see. All that was smashed here, okay, quite a bit came out. We just need to do a little bit more right here in the upper corner now, okay, that needs to come out. And a little bit here, but we don't want to mess too much with the tail light housing here, so we'll take a little bit more time here to think how we're going to do that now. Okay, we want to see if it's going to come out here now. Check it out. It might come out, so we have to be careful. We'll pump from distance, and I want to see on the outside if something is going to move. Check it out now. Okay, that thing is amazing, guys. You can see how much it spreads it, right? Check out here that rectangular, okay, how it's straightening itself. So you can see, guys, we're almost done here. How much better that thing looks now. Okay, you can see how much that thing is spreading, guys. That thing is amazing. Okay, it's okay. You hear that pop? Everything's straightening now. And it's straightening to the point that pulled right here, and even it started opening here as well, you can see. And just we're going to hammer it a little bit on the inside. Okay, we'll go like right here. And everything started coming out pretty nice and easy. And you can see, guys, okay, how much we straighten on the inside as well. So just keep doing that, changing points, okay, and up and down, hammering a little bit here and there. And that frame machine is amazing, guys. Okay, it spreads everything with ease. You can see all that was crinkled there. Now it's way better. That section right there, it straightened itself as well, so you can see how much better that thing is looking now compared to what we had before. We're going to get a wood block, okay, hammer a few pieces. Okay, I wouldn't recommend doing that when the jack is under pressure, because if it comes to the side, it can kill you guys. But check this thing out. Okay, you can see how much we straightened that bolt here and the holder for the bumper here. So we're going to release it now, and you can see it didn't go in at all. So definitely, guys, that's how you do it. You just keep doing a little bit at a time. Now we'll be using that different tip. Okay, and we're just going to apply a little bit in the corner. We'll try to see if it's going to spread some. We have a rubber one as well. One of the two probably will work better. Maybe the rubber one, so we don't cut it. So check out, guys. Okay, after we messed up with the frame machine for a while, check out the results now. We straightened it quite a bit. Okay, we had to cut it in one place so we can get things straightened and actually welded together. But as you can see, guys, all that was in, all that got pushed out with that frame machine, guys, and it took us about a day to do all that work, guys. And on the inside, everything, okay, everything looks great as well. Okay, you can see how much everything came out. So practically, guys, okay, frame wasn't damaged at all. You're just the quarter panel, but that frame machine, guys, is super powerful, and I'll definitely recommend it, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.